Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide dy over dx. We need to open parentheses. Next, we need to divide both sides by x to the power of 3. Next, we can apply about Bernoulli equation. So I need to put about v equals to 1 over s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So 1 over s squared we change by v. This one we change by this one. So I need to put this one go to the left and y to the power of 3 we put on the right. So we have the positive number. This one should be about negative y to the power of 3. Next, we multiply both sides by number 2. So we have v and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equations. Now we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration of 2y. 2y, that is about this one in here. The integration of 2y dy, you got about e to the power of y squared. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have this one in here. We know that first derivative of y, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b. multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have v multiplied by e to the power of y squared. Now, I need to concentrate about this one only. So, y to the power of 3, we can change into y and y squared. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to y squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of y to the power of 2, we have 2y dy. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. 2y dy, that is about du. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I need to put about t equals to u. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, you got about v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v, but we have the negative, so we keep about the negative side in here. Minus, we have dt multiplied by v, so we have the integration e to the power of u du. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Later that, we divide both sides by this one. About v, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.